The Dembe Agricultural Industrial Food Show is more than just a 3-day event. It is where food security, innovation, and research come together under one umbrella.
For the Banana Board, this year's focus was on resilience. It came at a critical time when the country is looking to rebuild and grow after the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa.
Resilience is what the Banana Board is about. And resilience is what we had to prove after Hurricane Melissa.
The Banana Board used Dembe to showcase how farmers can prepare their fields to recover more quickly.
After Hurricane Melissa, we promised Jamaica that we would see bananas back on the market between 7 to 9 months. You can come back seven months if you prepared your fields to bounce back after a damage. And preparing the fields involves a number of things, but the major one is pruning. So if you prune your fields well, so that when the hurricane comes in the season, the suckers are at a decent height. If the mother plant goes, then the next one will come, and you can get fruits from that in the most ideal of situation within 7 months. So we teach persons how to do it and how to do it well. We teach them how to ensure that they have suckers available so that they don't have to ask for planting material. One of the reasons why the industry came back so well is that we didn't have to buy seeds and seedlings from overseas. Bananas reproduce itself. It generates itself. And so what we do is prepare it to regenerate very quickly after the hurricane.
But resilience goes beyond restoring production. The Banana Board has also used Dembe to demonstrate ways farmers can improve productivity and create additional income from their crops.
So we're teaching persons how to make wine. We have banana bread on the outside. So those are the things that can add value to what we have. In addition to teaching persons how to, grow, ensuring that you do things that we believe are necessary, testing and sampling of your soil before you plant, while you're producing, to ensure you put on the right quantity of fertilizer so the production comes up in the shortest possible time.
Financial preparedness is another part of the strategy.
The Banana Board manages what is called the Banana and Planting Industry Catastrophe Fund. So when you register, you have to register before June. Registration starts in January, and by the end of March, you're supposed to be registered. Sometimes we give a little extension, depending on the situation. And once you're registered before the hurricane season starts, should there be a damage, you make a claim, and within a month, we guarantee you, within a month, the Banana Board pays out.
The lesson here is that recovery begins long before a hurricane arrives, and you're not alone in the planning. Recovery is assured through preparation, knowledge, financial planning, and the ability to adapt. And the Banana Board is there to help.